(10:19) The world outside is dark, but I'm just starting my real day. If the hair goes up, don't call me. I'm officially out of service for the rest of the night. But honestly, a messy bun isn't enough this time. I need the ocean. Hey, delivery! I'm going to find the seashell, the one that even Koreans wait all winter to get a taste of. Are you ready? Goodbye, city stress. Hello, adventure. We're heading 2 hours south of Seoul to find a winter treasure called the bird cockle. As soon as I stepped inside, the energy was electric. The air is thick with the sound of laughter. It's the perfect kind of chaos. I was just walking by when I found this free Korean puffed grain snacks or Ppung-twigi. In Korea, it's quite common for vendors to offer a little taste for free. I just arrived at the harbor. Namdanghang is quiet for most of the year, but during the winter, it transforms into a vibrant basketball ground. This trip was exactly what I needed. I feel completely recharged no matter how tough the week gets. There's always a beautiful, delicious escape waiting for you. People travel from all over the country just to get a taste of this. Can you guess what this is? Before we dive into the meal, take a look at the shell. It's sturdy, heart-shaped. Okay, this is it. After the long drive, the legendary bird cockle is just moments away. And I can already tell this is going to be the highlight of my trip. And here it is. It is called bird cockle. It's so fresh, it's practically glowing. It looks just like a bird's beak. Now you see why they call it the bird cockle. Oh! It has a subtle, natural sweetness that you can only get from fresh, wild-caught shellfish bird cockle. This is the taste of the moment. If you miss the window, you have to wait an entire year. That's what makes it so precious. The texture is incredible. Done! Bye-bye stress and celebrate the moment. Yeah! Wait, I couldn't leave without trying these. They're fried baby crabs, a local specialty here at Namdanghang. Wow, listen to that crunch. I can't stop eating these. I feel completely recharged. I came here for a rare winter delicacy, but I'm leaving with so much more. Remember, your own bird cockle, whatever it may be, is waiting for you. Go find it. Thanks for traveling with me. Bye.